Alright, so your angle grinder, it jammed. Stick around, watch this video and I'll show you what is the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so we have this scale grinder, this 4-inch scale angle grinder, and the thing is that this is jammed, right? It's not turning. Right, so this part it sees it's not turning at all. I was able to take it out and notice, right? So this is turning. Right, this part is stuck, it's jammed, right? So I notice not only that jam, it shift. This not center, this shift alter to the left. Right, so if you can watch, you can see this part, it come out too much on the left, right? And this part going too much to the left. You see this part in a center, right? You can see it. You can see the little space it up here, and there's no space on this side. So it shifts. So I feel the problem is really this. I feel something with the gears. So I will open it up. So there's 4 screws to remove. Alright, so now we're gonna raise this up. And you can see it's still jammed. And this part, so this part working. Alright, so I will plug it on and see. It's working. Alright, so it's working. Right, so this working. So that's not the problem. The problem is inside here. Right, so how do we remove this ring lock? I got tools for this. Alright, so I have this is to remove the this part here. So I'll pause the video and remove this part, right? Alright, so I was able to get out. And there's that side. And now to take out this part. As you can see, right, the bearing is gone. Right, so the bearing is gone. This screws come out. Right, this part and the nut. Alright, so see if the screws working. Alright, so the screws working. And the bearing inside stick. Sticking that hard, though. Alright. The grinder working right, but this part gone because I can't take out the screw. Right, the screw, you see the screw head, it wrung off, and the screw holding on the other part of the bearing, the outer part of the bearing. Right, so since this can't come out, this whole head had to be replaced. Alright, so I'll put this together. Until I get the part. I was really looking forward to fix this now. If the bearing is stick and the screw wasn't so hard to come out, I would have fixed this. But in this case, everything seized up. So the only one thing left to do is to get a head, get this back in gear, and replace it. Alright, so well, there's nothing left to do unless I get a packing gear. Right, this header, unless I get a header to replace it, there's nothing left that I can do until I get the part. Alright, so now you know what is one of the main problem why this was sticking. Alright, so you know why it was sticking. I know how to fix it. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.